Hi, I'm Mark Garcia. If you've been following my channel, thanks for coming along on this journey. If you're new, welcome. I decided I wanted to do something special for students because I discovered a product about a year ago that I've been using pretty regularly in my professional life, and I realized while using it that it's something that could benefit students substantially. And so I decided to put together a mini course here on YouTube regarding Arc Browser. Arc Browser is a modern browser based on the Chrome engine, and the team behind it, the browser company, has chosen to implement some features that are really unique to this particular browser and have ultimately made it to where it is my go-to browser on a day-to-day basis. And as I was using it, I started to realize as a student how much I would have benefited from a browser like this. So in this mini course, I'm going to take you through the ins and outs of getting started with Arc, how to kind of set it up, understanding what makes it different from other browsers, and then as we go through, I'm going to show you how you can start to effectively set up your course content in Arc in what are called different spaces to make it that much easier to keep tabs on your student life on a course-by-course basis, as well as your personal life, all within the same browser window. So please come along with me and learn about Arc Browser.